Welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you my best banana pancake recipe. Let's start and making our pancakes. First we need one banana. Remove the skin and mash it well. Take 1 egg, 2 tablespoons white sugar, add 1 teaspoon vanilla sugar or vanilla essence. Add 1/4 cup vegetable oil, half cup of milk, add banana puree. Don't overmix, it's okay if there are lumps. Add half cup white flour. Now we can start making our pancakes. Grease your non-stick pan. Cook until bubbles form on the surface. Then flip and cook until the other side is golden brown. Serve the banana pancakes with sliced bananas or your favorite toppings. Your banana pancakes are ready. If you like pancakes, then you have to try this recipe. If you like my recipe, like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.